Welcome ulit sa ating bagong video. Ito po ay tungkol pa rin sa ating procurement documents, no? Ito po ay transmittal letter. Hello mga partners. So magandang araw po muli. Welcome ulit sa ating bagong video. Ito po ay tungkol pa rin sa ating procurement documents, no? Ito po ay transmittal letter. So let's go po. So kung titingnan po natin yung ating mga lists ng ating procurement documents, no? So ito pong lalagyan natin ng highlight na yellow, no? Ito pong highlighted ng yellow, ito po yung pag-usapan natin, transmittal letter. So, punta na po tayo doon sa ating document. So, ito po yun, no? So, supplyan lang po ng mga details yung kailangan. Tulad ng province, anong province po kayo, municipality, at kung anong barangay. Ito pa rin po ay galing sa BAC committee, yung documents po na ito. Office of the Bids and Award Committee. Then, ito po ay transmittal letter, naka-address po sa ating punong barangay. No? So, ito po may date, kung anong date po. Then, naka-address nga po kay barangay captain, no? Honorable, kung sino po ang inyong barangay captain. Punong barangay, barangay, kung anong barangay po kayo at kung anong address po, no? So, dito po nakalagay, Cap. This pertains to the government procurements of construction materials to be used for, ito po yung pinaka-title, no? Ito po yung title ng inyong project, ng inyong ipo-procure, no? Then, the above stated procurement as approved and appropriated in the amount of, ito naman po yung amount ng project. So, nakalagay po dyan. With the total amount per purchase request, ito po yung purchase request number at saka yung date ng purchase request. Okay? So that the pursuant to RA 9184, the Government Procurement Reform Act, this mode of procurement falls under public bidding. So parang sa certification, no, nakalagay dito kung anong klaseng procurement yung ipapa-implement na procurement, as it satisfies the condition set forth Rule 16 or Section 52 of the Implementing Rules and Regulation of the said Act. Therefore, it is hereby recommended that the barangay government shall adopt alternative method of procurement through public bidding in the purchase of the above stated procurement. Your approval therefore is earnestly requested. So nakalagay po rito yung member ng BAC committee, no? Bids and Award Committee. Nandito po yung pangalan at dapat po ito may pirma, no? Name and signature ng BAC chairman, chairman of the technical working group, name and signature ng BAC ng vice chairman at yung members, no? Then sa baba po is approved by the punong barangay. Name and signature po ni punong barangay. So, yan po ang ating document para po sa transmittal letter. Okay? So, sundan na lang po kung ano po yung mga nandyang details. So, sana po nakatulong po sa inyo, nakadagdag sa inyong kaalaman. Maraming salamat po. God bless. Thank you very much.